This is problem set 5 of indices. The question says find the missing expressions. Now, upon examining the question, I noticed that it says t to the power 4 times something in a box is equals to t to the power 9. So, as you can see, it's like the power has increased, and we all know that if there's multiplication, you add. So this has to be t to the power 5 because 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, this one says u to the power 3 times something in a box times u to the power 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, so this has to be u. U is the same as u to the power 1. So if you add the 3 powers, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 7, that's 11. Now the next one says y to the power 5 times y to the power 2. This gives us 7 is equals to 3. Then obviously what is here should add to 3 to make it 7. So obviously it's a 4. And then the next one says something divided by a to the power 4 is equals to 10. We all know that division is related to minus, so this has to be 14 minus 4 to give us 10. So this is more like a to the power 14. And then the next one says q to the power 12 all over something should give us q to the power 6. Now, when it's like this, I have to remember that if I'm dividing, it's basically subtracting. So obviously you have to subtract 6 from 12 so that you remain with 6. So this has to be q to the power 6. And then the next one says a to the power 3 b squared times something should give us a to the power 5 b9. So I'm going to examine it in parts. If I have a to the power 3 and want to make it a to the power 2, obviously I'll have a squared because 2 plus 3 is 5. And then if I have 2 and want to make it 9, I have to add 7. So this is b to the power 7. Next, the question says 2p squared q6 times something is equals to 6p p to the power 3 q to the power 8. When it's like this, I'm obviously going to first observe the 2 and the 6. Obviously, this has to be a 3 because 2 by 3 is 6. So I'm simply going to write 3. And then next, I'm going to observe or examine the p. On the left-hand side, I have 2 and this is 3, which means that there's an additional p because you add since it's multiplication. And then next we have q to the power 6. And to make it q to the power 8, obviously this has to be q to the power 2 because 6 plus 2 is 8.